Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find Bitget wallet address. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Bitget mobile application and then you need to tap on the More tab on the home page. Once done, you will be landed on the More Services page where you are going to see a bunch of different options in the popular. Among these options, you will have to tap on Deposit. Over here you will be able to see a bunch of different cryptos that you can purchase on Bitget. So among these cryptos you just have to select that particular crypto, the wallet address of which you want to get. Let's say you want to get the wallet address of USDT. So after typing USDT in the search bar, you will be able to ask to select the network. So after selecting the network, you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address. So the deposit address is basically your wallet address which you can use to deposit money in Bitget. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.